Good morning, and as we prepare for guided meditation, I invite you to close your eyes, make yourself comfortable in the chair that you're sitting, and take a deep breath. Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. Letting go of the business of this day, allowing your mind to become still and fully present here and now. And I invite you to relax all the muscles of your face and relax the muscles of your neck and your shoulders, allowing yourself to go deeper and deeper into a place of relaxation, inner stillness, and perfect peace. And relax the muscles of your back, allowing yourself to go deeper and deeper. Nothing to worry, nothing to be concerned. Just pure awareness. And relax the muscles of your arms and your hands. Going deeper and deeper. Relaxing the muscles of your hips. Allowing your mind to be fully present here and now. The only place there is. And relax the muscles of your legs all the way down to your feet. And begin to notice that right now, all the cells of your body are very, very relaxed. There is this underlying sense of peace, of joy, no concern for the things of this world. This is your spiritual home, a place of inner stillness and perfect peace. And as you bring yourself to this place again and again, you will discover that the end of your problems take place not when you think you have a solution for them, but by learning to be at peace in the midst of them. This peace that you are extends itself into the world, harmonizing everything on your behalf. And here, the light that you are begins to shine a little bit brighter and a little bit brighter, awakening in you your Christ nature, your Buddha nature, your immortal self. Silently repeat to yourself, that which I have been seeking, I already am. Today I stand on holy ground, for I recognize that holiness dwells in me. I am perfect peace. I am joy. My search is over. My ascension is complete. I claim my divine gifts and realize that which I have been seeking outside of myself: safety, security, abundance, love, bliss. They are all part of who I am. No longer I need to seek for them outside of myself, but just to come into that place of peace and allow it to unfold from within. So let us spend a few moments in the silence, feeling the peace and the joy that is already present. From this day, I choose to move forward, not in fear, but at peace. And as I continue experiencing the peace in the present moment, it extends itself into my future. And I realize that here and now, we are the second coming of Christ, the light of this world, invulnerable and unlimited. And very gently, I invite you to bring your awareness back to this room, to your physical body, to the chair that you are sitting, feeling confident, peaceful, and empowered. Allow yourself to awaken from this wonderful experience of communion. And whenever you're ready, very gently, you may open up your eyes.